Hello, my dear crafters. So some of you, quite a few, asked me to show this die that I showed in one of my previous videos. So I decided to do it. So here it is. It's a very simple die, but so beautiful. It's a bee. Basically, it's a bee. And here on the left side, you can see it's just two dies with these three little pieces, which are these little tiny pieces here, and you can make it in so many ways. Let me just zoom in for you to give you some ideas on how you can use this die. So you can do like the basic bee. I mean, how cute is this, right? And you can use in so many projects, and I'll show you one that I finished today. You can do a shaker, which is beautiful. All you need to do is cut one more layer of this with foam adhesive, or just use a double-sided tape and you have a shaker, my favorite, as you guys know. Or just use pattern paper, whatever you have. I love this paper here, and I had some leftovers, so why not, right? Why not use it? Same paper here. And this is another pattern paper here with tiny bees, so perfect. So on this one you can see more of the bees here. So you can use it in so many different ways. And the little tiny ones, these ones here, that's what you use to make these three details that make all the difference. Let me show you something that I just made today. Look at how beautiful this paper with foil is, and it looks like a beehive right there. And then you open and you have an insert here that you can use for so many things. You can do like ephemera inserts, you can do tags, you can do bookmarks, and you can do teas. So I think that's what I'm gonna use. These are all stuff that I'm preparing for a craft fair. So look at that. This is so, and I used the bee, which is absolutely perfect. Let me show you another one that I also prepared. Same idea, see, using this paper here. And if you open, then you have an insert place here to put whatever you want. So this is something that I'm preparing for my craft fairs, but I'm gonna show you how to put this die together, okay? You see how simple it is, and of course I'll have the link below. You can buy it on Amazon. It's very inexpensive. It's like $5, something like that, but I'm sure it will sell out, so I would really advise you to go and buy it. So these are the two pieces that it cuts with the little tiny ones. So I'm going to zoom in and show you how to put it together, okay? So this is the base, and I'm gonna put one here just so you see. This is the base here. Sorry, this is the base. So that's the base, and basically we want these wings to be loose, so you're not gonna put any glue here. It's just here on the base, on the like in the middle here, right there. So the first thing we do is we're going to glue these little tiny pieces. So I usually use my tweezers for that. So you just put a little bit of glue here. And it actually has a mark showing you where to put it. Let me see if you can see that. I'm not sure you can see, but it actually shows you here the exact position of these little pieces. So it makes it really easy. You're never gonna miss the mark. So a little bit more. I love this bee, and I've been using it in like notebooks and cards. You can, it's just, you can pop it, you can just leave it as is. So there you go. I'm just following. It leaves some indentation, so you know exactly where to put it. So let's put some glue here. It's so easy. So I'm gonna just move it to see where the indentation is. There you go. Perfect. So this part is ready, and now what I do is I just, with my fingers like this, I'm just gonna run my fingers like this, just to roll it up a little bit so it curves it up a little bit. So you just break the fibers just a little with your nails. So see, now it's like that. That's it. All you need to do now is to have the base. So we're going to put glue in this part here in the middle and here on the antennas, because you want that too. And then you just positioned it. I use the base just to make sure that it's well aligned, because if the base is aligned, then the top will be fine. And we just, with my finger, I help the antennas be right. Sometimes it just moves around, so you come before it dries. Just move it around a little bit, and there you are. You have your beautiful bee. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, so a quick video, but I wanted to show you how to put it together, because so many people ask me, oh, I want the bees. So there you are. Perfect timing, it's spring, and you can use it in the summer too. Why not? I mean, bees are bees, right? They're around, they'll be around for a while. So here, I'm just gonna move around, put some more bees here so you can see. Zoom it out, and thank you so much for your time. And I'm gonna put my two beautiful, I don't know what to call these, notebooks. No, they're not notebooks, but they're so gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, that's another die that I got. So thank you so much, guys. You all have a great day, okay? And enjoy the spring. It's my favorite. Bye-bye.